Hello. So guys, this is Noob Tutorial episode 3. I'm trying, this is my first time trying to beat in speed mode. Because it's way too, yung Hunter. Why do I have 4 units? I lost my 1x that has Reaper to a guy that will willingly give me 4 mythics. I got lucky. Look. I got Reaper and this. And I got Omega. And Minigun. And this also. I'm trying to save up my stamps into 5k for my place again. So I can be Sigma. Yes, I'm Sigma. I'm just going to do place the Reaper. Wait. Let me do the...
Oh my god!
Kuya, stop it! You're watching TikTok. I'm trying to record here. Hello. We're going to beat extreme mode. Or not going to beat extreme mode. Or me beat extreme mode. Because Scientist Noob, he has 1 million health. I have retro. I'm going to click it for you. Like this. Retro this. Yes. And Omega. And this is a TPS. I got retro variant. And this. Also, I'm trying to get Medusan retro one. Now time to encourage it. I'm going to be on speed 1x1 for no reason because it's so anyway. Experience. Extreme mode is really hard. That's why I need to be Sigma bro. Serious? Are you serious, brother? Let's eat it again. I forgot. Sorry guys, I forgot. Also, did my play chicken miss his splash damage attack? Oh my god. What is suddenly? Suddenly. I'm going to get Omega and my basic and like Reaper or no Reapers, only X and Omega. Please don't know my kuya who's watching YouTube. No, TikTok. No! Bro, I don't unseen recording! You got it! Oh my god, I'm actually going to get banned on YouTube. I'm actually geeky now. That was not funny. I already told you that was not funny. I think you got cold. Was only placing $1 million because I suffer from loss from $10 million. But I think I have just trauma. And that's why I need time to do. minigun is going to cost me 1 lakh. Oh no, my weapon cannot protect my unit. No. I think this meat is with me. Okay, I'm lagging. I think I'm lagging. Please let me do this, God. God help me. No, I'm not going to. I forgot about the present. Can you subscribe here? Okay, minigun or maybe it's too. Let me pop his abilities. Let me pop his abilities. Let me pop it. Let me pop it. Alright, guys, I'm not going to use minigun. Need more mullets. I need more mullets. I just need more mullets. I need more mullets. What the hell? Oh yeah, yeah. Yes, we got it. I'm ending the recording here. Bye guys.